Hello, how are you? It's Ching, and we are moving into the contemporary Qigong, the fourth set, and has about 6 parts. The first couple is preparation, so I'm going to go right into it. It's a beautiful morning again, and a nice breeze. So I'm in this area, a little slant, so if I somehow was big challenge with the balance, forgive me, and all this gravel, so right, it's always a good challenge. So here we go. I'm going to do slightly diagonal so you can see the legs positions. So you're going to using lunging the arrow stance. The first time, my 5 checkpoint, right, always engage your abdominal, nice breathing. I'm bend both my knee. I'm going to slowly take that right leg back, and the heel, can you see the heels up? The hips extend. I'm going to sink in down a little bit. Okay, I'm going to do that one more time. So I will extend my hip. I squeeze the gluteal maximum. And it's in parallel position. Don't laterally rotate both legs and step back. I bend my knee, of course. I'm going to go use the other one. I'm going to engage my abdominals, squeeze the glutes, so my knees slightly back off my hip and go. I'm kind of lengthening that quadriceps. Okay, so the first part has 2 positions of your leg. Now see, I'm total arrow stance. So my heel is down now. I'm going to lean forward a little bit. Just get a nice calf stretch, but still this opening. And of course, first responder is always here. And exhale. Go and slowly bring that leg back in and diagonally again. And going forward. And engage your abdominal. Getting that nice calf stretch. Achilles and calf, keep the heel down. If your heel cannot go down, coming up a little bit, it's okay, okay? Also, the front leg has most of your weight, so 70% of the weight's right here. And you come back. So that's the first part. We establish the 2 positions of the leg, okay? So now, the second part, we're gonna add the spine to it. So now, I step back with the heel up, and see that? I'm gonna inhale, reverse the downward breathing, contract the lower arrow meeting the upper arrow, and goes out. I'm going to keep my back knee bent first. Okay, so I can feel that energy is come from the foot, inner thigh, pelvic floor, moving my spine. So initiate that energy from the Mother Earth through the body and coming. I'm going to do that one more time. So through. So my back leg is supporting me, okay? So and step forward. Other side, same idea. So here's inhale and the exhale. Hollow tummy, inhale and the exhale. We're getting this beautiful summer breeze, more than a breeze, so it's very welcome because it's getting really hot during the day. And inhale, pelvic floor, so you can see my spine is moving, and return. Okay, now the third part, we're gonna add the spine movement with both leg position. Okay, so ready? I'm put my hands here so you can see my spine moving. So I'm gonna ready. I'm gonna use comes up, so it's from the center lift, and when I lunge, I'm going forward. You see my heel to the top of my head is one straight line, so you're kind of leaning with that 5 checkpoint, so neutral. Ready? Now this time I'm going to use my pelvic floor tummy to lift that heel up and reaching out, forward lean. One more time, inhale. So we're going to nice establish the spine and lunging, lots of weight here now, right? So we're going to shift your weight, step in and lunging back. Okay, so you ready? So we're starting the lunging, and the inhale, use the first responder, recruiting the lower arrow, upper arrow, and leaning forward. Again, from the center, connect to the Mother Earth. Then again, connect to Mother Earth, lengthening out. One more time, inhale. And exhale. So since my weight's in front, so it's really easy, use my tummy to bring that leg in. guess what? The next one, we're going to add in the arm movement to it. So lengthening out. Okay, ready? Here we go. I'm going to use my arm. Remember this arm movement? And it's the yang open chest up. Now we're going to change and return the arm to the side of the body with the palm down. Shift your weight forward. Again, inhale. So I'm going to do 4 times this way. And squeeze the glutes and rooting. And the inhale and exhale, lengthen the spine. Again, inhale. Exhale again, really strong rooting. And the inhale and the exhale. One last time. Inhale, moving from the pelvic. And exhale. I'm going to really root it down. And so my upper body is so free. And inhale. And exhale, lengthen spine. So I put more weight in the front leg. So you can ready? Shift your weight forward, bring that leg back in. And switch. Okay, here we go. So 4 times this way, inhale. So getting used to really dig down, root it down, inhale, exhale, lengthening, and the inhale, exhale, and chest up. I'm laughing because I dig down in the gravel is moving. Allow me digging down, inhale, and give me challenge for balance, and go up. And remember, that's all thoracic spine extension. Don't go into lower back. One last time here. Inhale, you can see tummy in. Moving that beautiful spine, right? Youthful spine. And comes in. I engage your abdominals. So you get a nice, strong back. Shift your weight forward, step in. Okay, we're going to do 1 each side. And going. And reaching out. Comes in, ready? And switch side. And lift up. And beautiful. I just saw a bird flew by. And inhale. And exhale. And the inhale. And exhale. So when you look up, right? Nature has a lot of movement. The treetop is moving, so I really stay focused without being disturbed and stay centered. And one last set here. Inhale. On the exhale, lift the chest up. And exhale, lengthening the spine. Ready, left side. So beautiful transition. It's like a part of spine movement. And lengthening far away. Okay, you ready? Here comes the last part. You need to balance now, okay? So from here, inhale. And exhale. Ready? Inhale, heel down. You're going to shift your weight. You ready? The legs up, bodies down into one straight line. You're going to feel like a bird hovering on, looking down the earth. Okay, so here you go. Try that left side. Inhale, exhale. Coming in. Ready? Slowly shift weight to the front leg totally. And lengthen the spine. Feel like the bird, palms facing down. Bring in the leg. Inhale. Exhale again. Lift. Ready? Slowly shifting your weight. Slowly shifting your weight. Great. And the inhale. And exhale. Lift the chest up. So this is the movement 6. And lengthening balance. Slowly, slowly balance. One more time. Inhale. And open the chest. Shift your weight first. Slowly, there's up, there's a down. Balance off. It's like the level. Right? And like the bubble in the level. And you're finding the perfect place for that supporting leg to support your whole body. One straight line. Keep going. It's a little challenge. So I'm going to keep focused until I get there. and comes in. Okay, so I forgot to tell you the name of this one. This one is called Celebrate the Life. So if you use total control, right? I can see working, challenging, result, right? Every day it repeats. What today? Today have today's challenging. Today the challenge made me learn something and I get a better result. So you celebrate life. All day it's like that. Because we need to grow. So that's the fourth contemporary Qigong is called a celebrate life. So you sleep well at the night. I'm going to show you the very, very last part, and it's more advanced. You use it to travel, okay? So I'm going to give myself a little space. So I'm going to start over here. I can see what I did to the gravel. Okay. So here we go. I'm going to take this, I'm going to loop around a little bit, okay? So from here, I'm going to starting out step back, right? And go. Transfer the weight. You can keep your leg down or up. And then you see, you step forward. On the exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, tummy in, exhale, again, inhale. So always reverse down the breathing. Exhale, inhale, and exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, reach, and again, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. We do one more time. So my back's towards you. Inhale, and exhale. And lengthening. And inhale. So yeah, so that's how you travel with it. And once you understand it again, you can keep your leg on the ground, no problem. And once you get better, really challenge that balance. Okay, so that concludes the Celebrate the Life. And practice makes it better again. Thank you so much, right? Practice become a habit. That's what makes it better. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Take care.